Essay writing. Through AI supported. Virtual tutor.
Exercise, expanding simple sentences into compound ones. Directions. In this exercise, you will practice expanding 10 simple sentences into compound sentences by enhancing their descriptive qualities. Your task is to expand these sentences into compound ones by incorporating additional details, elaborations, or descriptive elements.
One. She plays the piano well. She is a talented musician. She plays the piano beautifully. Explanation. We expanded this sentence by introducing her as a talented musician and emphasizing her piano skills. By adding she is a talented musician, we provide context and further information about her musical abilities. Then, we elaborate on her piano skills by saying she plays the piano beautifully, showcasing her exceptional talent. The sunset was beautiful. The sunset was breathtaking. It cast a warm glow over the horizon. Explanation. To enhance the description of the sunset, we transformed the sentence into a compound one. We used the word breathtaking to intensify the beauty of the sunset. Additionally, we added it cast a warm glow over the horizon to emphasize the visual impact and the warm ambience created by the sunset. He loves reading books. He loves reading books. He immerses himself in different worlds. Explanation. This sentence was expanded by maintaining the initial statement and adding more information about his reading habits. We retained he loves reading books to establish his passion for reading. Then, we supplemented it with he immerses himself in different worlds, emphasizing his deep engagement with the imaginative realms portrayed in books.
4. The garden had colorful flowers. The garden was filled with colorful flowers. It created a vibrant and lively atmosphere. Explanation: by transforming this sentence into a compound one, we aimed to create a more vivid depiction of the garden. We retained the garden had colorful flowers to establish the presence of vibrant blooms. To enhance the description, we added it created a vibrant and lively atmosphere to emphasize the impact of the flowers on the overall ambience of the garden. Five. They enjoyed a good meal. They enjoyed a delicious meal. They engaged in lively conversation. Explanation: this sentence was expanded by describing the meal experience in more detail. While keeping the initial statement, we supplemented it with they enjoyed a delicious meal to convey the high quality and satisfaction derived from the food. Additionally, we included they engaged in lively conversation to highlight the enjoyable social interaction that accompanied the meal.
Prepare to be surprised. Education has undergone a mind-blowing transformation thanks to artificial intelligence technology. Gone are the days of traditional classrooms. Say goodbye to confusion and running after teachers and hello to real-time guidance. Now, the AI-powered online education offers such new learning methods that are more effective than ever before. And remember, understanding and practice are the keys to success. So if you want more practice material or explanations, send your WhatsApp number to 033630398001. Best offer. We offer practicing material for all types of tests or examinations. Any student educational institute academy can get our most useful and affordable services. Feel free to message to BoxBrain AI Generator on this number. 0336 303 9801.